Hi, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone, I'm Jessica and I'm so excited to bring you to a walking tour of the top beaches in Porto this summer. I hope you are as excited as I am, and if so, please don't forget to click like and write a comment below. Now, this tour will show you the first beach near many of the popular sites in the city center. The picturesque view and clean white sand on this beach are the perfect way to get away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and to just sit back and enjoy the beauty of nature. We will then move on to the second beach, and this beach has so many activities to enjoy. From lounging and sunbathing to paddle boarding and surfing, this beach is sure to have something for everyone. Lastly, since we are in Portugal, no trip is complete without visiting the third beach and trying the seafood. You won't be disappointed. I hope this virtual tour of the top beaches in Porto has been informative and inspiring you to come out and explore the real thing this summer.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!